Our world is changing and fast, and we need to adapt. In the US alone, it is estimated that due to power outages, the economic impact exceeds $150 billion per year. As industrial asset owners, do you want your business built on aging, vulnerable, and inefficient infrastructure of the last century? Or would you prefer a system that provides you with the autonomy and independence, cost certainty, and resilient, reliable, and improved power quality, all while having the potential to reduce your carbon footprint? Distributed energy systems have demonstrated an innate capacity to operate more safely, efficiently, and with greater resilience than the system it is replacing, the centralized grid. This is possible today through advancements in technology, but only when designed and developed correctly, and today there is a bottleneck. Distributed energy systems are complex due to the number of variables that need to be considered for an optimal solution. As such, key stakeholders are using dozens of tools and no consistent processes, which result in super high soft costs associated with assessing and designing distributed energy systems. Today, soft costs exceed 30% of the total project value, and this cost barrier is too high. In addition, there is no transparency, limited coordination, and in turn, a lack of confidence to deploy systems at scale. That is, until now, VECKTA, the energy transition marketplace platform, integrates the tools, processes, stakeholders, and contracting workflows to take a project from concept to successful deployment. VECKTA empowers energy consumers such as yourselves and the supply chain to assess, design, finance, and coordinate around the deployment of solutions in a trusted, user-friendly, intuitive, transparent, and tailored way. Regardless of your role, VECKTA empowers customized solutions to be designed in a least cost, best fit way to drive the industry forward, create more confidence and opportunity for all. This will result in increasing margins and reduced operating costs, reduced risk and uncertainty, and more sustainable business outcomes. Using VECKTA, the soft costs can be reduced by as much as 90% and procurement and deployment costs by 15% or more. So how are we doing this? We are bringing together the best team backed by industry-leading technology. Myself and Tristan are the co-founders of VECKTA. We observed and lived through the opportunities and challenges firsthand while leading Worley's global distributed energy strategy and business. I bring the business acumen, leadership, and team-building expertise. And Tristan brings the strategy and an unrivaled expertise in distributed energy. Philip, our CTO, built the Apple App Store and knows what it takes to build a marketplace that is designed around the user. We have industry experts and developers in-house and around the world. And VECKTA has exclusive access to Zendy, which is the only technology in the world that can optimize microgrids and distributed energy systems, both technically and economically. It is the standard platform for planning and designing microgrids and distributed energy systems. Zendy is backed by over $700 million of investment and 20 years of R&D, and has been used to design over 37,000 microgrids to date. VECKTA takes a very complex problem, makes it simple, and puts the power in your hands. Take control of your energy future today to be more resilient, sustainable, and profitable.